If you've been feeling heavier than you should right now, this might be why. And no, it's not just your schedule, it's what you're still carrying from winter. Today, we're going to identify it, and I'm going to show you how to start releasing it in just a few minutes. Hey, welcome back to Soulful Sunday. I'm Janice Story, founder of AJ's EO Infusions. This is your weekly pause where we reflect, reset, and build emotional resilience in real life. Before we go any further, a quick wellness disclaimer. This content is for educational and emotional wellness purposes only. It is not medical or mental health advice. If you're experiencing anxiety, depression, trauma-related symptoms, or emotional distress, please consult a licensed healthcare or mental health professional. Now let's talk about emotional winter. Winter energy is survival energy. We move slower. We tolerate more. We hold things in. We push through. And somewhere between January and now, you picked up emotional weight. Maybe it was a conversation that didn't sit right. Maybe it was a goal that stalled. Maybe it was pressure you never talked about. Maybe it was exhaustion you never processed. Spring will be here before we know it. But emotionally, some of us are still in January, so let me ask you directly, what are you still carrying that no longer fits the season you're stepping into? Pause there, because awareness is the first shift. I want to give you a simple 3-step emotional spring prep reset. Step 1, name it, not fix it, not analyze it, just name it. I've been carrying resentment, I've been carrying pressure, I've been carrying disappointment, I've been carrying fear. When you name something, you reduce its intensity, your nervous system relaxes when something becomes defined. Step 2, decide. Ask yourself, am I bringing this into April? You don't need a dramatic breakthrough, you need a decision. Sometimes release isn't emotional, it's intentional. Step 3, anchor the release physically. Your body holds stress, your jaw tightens, your lips press together, your shoulders lift, your breath shortens. If you don't release physically, you don't release emotionally. Tonight, when you do your lip ritual, slow it down. As you gently exfoliate, choose one thing you're not bringing into spring. Let the exfoliation represent removal. Let peppermint awaken clarity. Let lavender calm your nervous system. Let frankincense ground you back into your body. This is not just lip care, this is emotional regulation disguised as routine. When you attach intention to touch, your brain encodes it differently. That's why ritual works. Not because it's trendy, but because it's embodied. Releasing does not mean pretending it didn't matter. It means you're choosing not to carry it forward. You don't have to solve everything today. You just have to decide what you're not dragging into the next season. Spring energy is light, light mornings, light air, light layers, and emotionally, you deserve light too. So here's your reset practice. Write one sentence that begins with, I've been carrying. Then write, I'm ready to release. Even if you're only 10% ready, then seal it with your ritual. Apply slowly. Massage intentionally. Breathe deeply. Consistency builds emotional strength. more than intensity ever will. And this week on the Essential Wellness Podcast, we're going deeper into this idea, why we stay loyal to stress, how emotional residue builds up, and how to stop carrying winter into spring. If this resonated with you, reflect on it today. You don't have to carry winter into spring. You're allowed to step into this next season lighter.
If this resonated, anchor it. The lip ritual turns 30 seconds into a structured emotional reset. It's simple, it's intentional, it's consistent. You'll find the link right below.